All right, it's Clay Trader here at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. Market is been open for 8 minutes, currently up $96. Looking to short right now at 31.88. Thought I'd try another video here, given the one I released yesterday was kind of embarrassing. I mean, very realistic, keeping it real. So I'm not ashamed from that perspective, but it was definitely one of those things where I didn't follow my plans. And like I said, realistic, but made myself look a little foolish. So thought, hey, why not try another video today on Friday? So we'll see what happens. Was hoping to see this one head back up, and it very well still may, but you can see very strong move out, so I would not mind building a position on the short side into this spike, but we'll see if that continues. I will pause it and look around and see if I can figure out and find some other stocks to potentially trade. Okay, I'm currently building a position here in YY. Just 200 shares right now, average 58.85. So if this could get back up above 59, I'd take some profits off right there at 59.05. Big strong move up, now just pulling back some. So within an overall bullish context. Like I said, I'm looking to build a position. So just 200 shares right now. Pick up a couple more at 58.41 if it can get down around there. Let's see if we can get a bounce here. Not sure if it's going to be able to get through that round number, so I'll just take a little bit off the table there. And if it can break through 59, and out right there. So what was that? 33 bucks. Didn't quite get the size I wanted, but I'm willing to try again if it wants to fall back down. So I'd have no problem starting to build my position again, but this time it would have to be lower. So 58.41, have an order in to get filled. Let's see if that happens. I'm going to keep on looking though. So I may not, no promises that I catch that order getting filled because I will be looking at other stocks, but I'll keep you updated. Well, here we go. It's pulling back some. No, bouncing back up. All right, I'll pause it. Quick little update, looking at some of the other time frames, which you can't see here on this screen. You're just looking at the 2-minute chart, but just going to go 58.01 on the order entry. So I'm probably wishful thinking there, but that's just where I feel comfortable. I'm being a little bit more risk adverse today, given it's Friday, and I've had a nice little week. So I'm being a little bit more protective and managing my risk a little bit more aggressively, which may cost me just lack of opportunities. But like I said, it's been a good week, so a lack of opportunities right now is not really something that I'm worried about. Okay, I have an order in the short sum at 51.25 here on QIHU. That's where I'd like to start to build the position. I'm going to actually type up alert real quick in the chat room. Actually just cancel that. I don't like the way it was stalling around. I'm going to raise that up some. This one's clearly... Yeah, how high did it go? 51.25. Should have left my order in there. That's the problem about Fridays when you're trying to really just play it extra safe. Man, literally. 51.25. Whoops. Alright, well... I guess that's just how it goes sometimes. But like as I alluded to already, I just cost myself an opportunity there because I am, really being conscientious of my risk. So perfect example there of what, unfortunately for me, but yeah, hindsight's really kicking me in the teeth right now. Oh well, it would have only been 100 shares anyway, so it's not like I would be able to go buy my own private island or anything. I will keep on searching. I'm in some options right now on Apple. A little late on this one. Looking to scale out here at 205. Have another one so you can kind of see what's going on. There I got those 205s. And just going to let this one now work for me. Roll it over some, or letting it roll over. If I see 185 on the bid of the options, I will sell to close to get out. But until that happens, I'm just going to let this final one work for me. So just to kind of recap, I bought 5 puts, meaning I thought the price would go down, and it has started to go down, and I've slowly scaled out. So depending on how far it goes, like I said, if 185 I see on the bid, I'm just going to get out. But I'm going to watch the chart. And, if this keeps pulling over or rolling over, then I'm going to let this final one work for me. So let's see what happens with it. I will pause it and keep you posted. Okay, I'm all out of those. Just got rid of them at 195. Just so powerful. And what I see here is last time it pulled back to that 8. You can, or the moving average here, it moved back upwards. So just decided to get back up. I really like the chances of it bouncing. It was a nice little trade. Not huge money, but like I said, I bought 5 at $1.80, sold 1 for $1.86, 1 for $1.95, 1 for $1.85, 1 for $2.05. And one of those, one being contracts as they're called, for $1.95. So, like I said, nothing huge, but one of those things where, like I said, past history, last time I got near that moving average bounce, and looks like it's bouncing up a little bit there. So, nice quick little trade there, and a nice risk versus reward. Had this really rolled over and crashed pretty hard, that one contract, would have exponentially started to grow for me, but it didn't quite work out. But that's kind of, the odds of it, crashing obviously weren't very good, but, that's why you always hang on to one just in case kind of the unlikely situation unfolds. So I'm actually just going to wrap things up. Good little variety here. So, closing the first half an hour session up 195. So nothing huge, but as I've talked about already, it's Friday. I've had a good week. I want to be extra stingy with my risk and how I'm playing things. So I'm very happy with that. Plus, there's still another at least good hour left in the morning session with some opportunities out there. So if you're interested in learning how to trade with technical charts, candlesticks, options, stocks, visit my site, claytrader.com. Offer many courses on that. Also have a trading group where we have a live chat room. You can hang out with me during the day. You get a subscription to my weekly newsletter where I send out my power profit scans. And then everything, if you want kind of the whole kit and caboodle and a bulk discount pricing, check out my university program, Clay Trader University, I'd encourage you to compare prices. I think mine are among the cheapest out there, and I think you get the most stuff too. So give it a try, or give it a look, I should say. Any questions or anything, let me know. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and I'll keep making them. But little clicks of the like button. Leave your comments. I like to interact with people. So hopefully that you found this helpful. Hopefully you'll have a good rest of the Friday. Thanks for watching. Remember, get out there and trade without emotion.